JavaScript can be inserted into a separate document and called when necessary. This is known as an external JavaScript file. You might recall we did the same with our external CSS file. Let's take the JavaScript function in our previous lesson and insert it into a new file. I'm going to copy out the entire function. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to create a new file and paste it. Now I'm going to save this file as dogage.js. JS stands for JavaScript. Now in the head tag, we need to call this script. And we'll do that by adding a source attribute to the script tag. Now we'll save this file, and I'll preview it in my browser just to make sure it works. We can see that the script is working, so we know that the JavaScript file was called successfully. There's a couple of advantages to using external JavaScript files. First, it makes the HTML code and JavaScript code easier to maintain. Cached JavaScript files also increase the speed at which the web page loads.